Yes, ma'am, you are audible.
Right, sir. So, good morning, everyone. We will be starting with our technical outreach with the 25 problem statement of DISC Indian Army Challenges Fire Control System for Sniper Rifle. Sir, you can start. The nodal officer can take over and brief the details of the challenges.
Right, ma'am.
सुनाइए sir, are you starting?
Ma'am, am I audible? Hello.
Yes, yes, you are audible.
Ma'am, I'm Lieutenant Colonel Gaurav. I'm G1 Infantry 8, and currently I'm here for the two problem statement, which is the first is the fire control system for sniper rifle, and the second is fire assistance system for the assault rifle. So first we'll be taking on the issue of problem statement for the fire control system for sniper rifle. The problem statement has already been listed out that what exactly we want. Everything is listed out. If anybody is having any doubts or anything, if we can get, if anybody is there for any clarification or something.
So the problem statement is self-explanatory. There is lots of details that are already available in the problem statement. Innovators who have got any query, any doubt with respect to the problem statement can ask their questions.
Am I audible, ma'am?
Yes, you are audible.
Hi, I'm Harsh. I had a doubt on the magnification capability required in this system, in this fire control system. What kind of magnification capability is expected?
Hey, request if you can just repeat one more time, please.
Sir, what is the magnification capability required in this fire control system site? Was I audible, sir?
Yes, you are audible. Just a minute.
We have not specified this. We have kept this open-ended. You all can field in whatever is your capability, based on which further when HPSC will take place, then HPSC will decide that which one is better.
Sir, I had one more doubt. Since the sniper rifle used by the Indian Army already has certain specialized optics, will this fire control system should it be compatible with those, or will it replace those optics?
As far as I know, I have seen a few solutions. Few have given which will replace those optics, and few have given which can be used as a clip-on just behind or in ahead of the current site. So it is up to you. Which we have given the problem. It should solve the problem in whatever manner it can solve.
Any more
We will-
questions? Yes, sir. Yes, sir, go ahead. Or do we have no questions? We are moving to next problem statement. Sir, which problem statement would you like to be followed, sir? ADB, sir?
I think we'll go for the next problem statement, which is of assault rifle, the fire assistance system for assault rifle.
Sure, sir. So good. Hello everyone. So next problem statement is fire resistance system for assault rifles. Over to you, Nodal officer.
In this also, the problem definition statement is quite self-explanatory, and I'm here if anybody have any doubts, you can just uh, clarify. Anybody, anyone having any doubts in this?
Sir, in this, I had one doubt. You have mentioned about arid Arbil system of the Israel as an existing solution, as a reference or an existing solution benchmark. Now,
Mhm.
will Smash also be a good reference for this problem statement or not, from your point of view?
Currently, I'm not aware exactly about Smash. What the proper technical details of the Smash, I'm not very clear about. But if it is if the requirements are getting fulfilled, then it's okay. I have to go through the exact technical specifications first. I can't comment before that.
Sir, essentially, you need the same capabilities in both the fire control system for the sniper and assault rifle, with only the difference in the specifications, right?
Yes, basic specifications. The weapon is different. The ranges are different.
Yes, sir. The exact specifications differ, but the broad features or broad working fundamentals are all the same between the FCS for sniper and assault rifle. Is that right?
Yes, exactly. And plus, if you see in the problem statement, it is listed one thing which is additional in the assault rifle. It is that the firer, the physical and the attributes of firer matlab, is also been taken into cognizance. Matlab, that is also there. If you see on the in the problem statement itself.
Yes, sir. Uh, Sir, one more thing. Is this again envisioned as a clip-on or a standalone sight, since Indian Army already uses certain thermal, certain red dot, certain holographic, and certain telescopic sights?
It is again the answer will be same that we have got both the solution. I've seen the solution from other companies also. Both the solutions are there. Whichever is feasing, whichever is fitting into this particular thing, you have to give us a solution which is solving this particular problem. It can be both. The only thing it should not be bulky. It should not be too difficult or too difficult to carry. The design should be ergonomic. The soldier should be able to carry, and if it is a clip on, then it should fit in front or back of this current sight easily. And if there is a different thing, is a totally you're making a totally different site itself, that is there, then it is a then that is also there, that is also okay. The main issue is this problem statement, that this problem statement should get solved.
Sir, which particular service, which particular rifle is this meant for? Is it for the 203 or the SIG?
It is for both actually. Both the rifles are there in service right now. It is in infantry battalion 203 is also there, and infantry battalion as 6 is also there. So it is for both the rifles.
So the
And
solution that is offered needs to have the ballistic or the compatibility with all three, I believe. There is also a carbine, 5.56 carbine that is going to be inducted. So
yes,
should this compatibility be for all three, sir?
all the three, and all the three are having that for the same purpose. All the three are having Picatinny rail. So this site can be fixed on any of the three.
Sir, I know you clarified on this, but to repeat again, will you be still using envisioning in an ideal case? Would you still want the compatibility with the existing sites that are already in service? It could be thermal, it could be night vision, it could be the day optics also. Is
Again,
there a need for compatibility?
I'm repeating myself. We need a solution for this problem statement. It can be compatible or it can be a clip-on site also. It can be that you can. It is up to you to develop. I'm specifying. It is up to you to develop. You will be pitching your product. So whatever you are feasible, whatever you are comfortable with, you have to. If you're, we will select the best of all the products. So that is the work of HPSC. HPSC will be seeing all the products and which one will be whichever will be the best, that will get selected. It's as simple as that. If you can provide best solution as a clip-on, it is up to you. If you can provide best solution as a complete standalone or a different equipment, it is again up to you. The caveats have already mentioned that it's already written in this problem statement, and apart from that, I have already told it should be ergonomically good. The soldier should be able to carry it. It should not be an additional burden on him. If it is a clip-on, then the size should be small. Even if it is not a clip-on, then also size has to be small. It cannot protrude bulge out of the weapon itself. Because I've seen some solutions where they are providing a proper normal like LCD type of screen itself, and it is protruding outside the assault rifle or sniper rifle. That cannot be used. Some equipments have so much of brightness that you can't use that at night. If you can't use a sight or a fire control system at night in dim areas in dim conditions, then again it is of no use. So these things, these practical issues, you have to you have to take consideration. You have to consider these issues. Anyone else with any issues?
Sir, last question from my end. Does Indian Army currently use SMASH or any other fire control systems, imported fire control systems?
Currently, as far as I'm aware, we are not officially using any of these systems. If somebody has purchased it on their own, then I'm not aware. But as far as I'm concerned, officially we have not purchased any of these systems.
Innovators, do we have any other questions? So we are moving to next problem statement. So next problem statement is indigenous development and manufacturing of the mirror unit used in the thermal imager ESSA of tank of T90. Over to you, Nodal Officer.
Good morning. I'm Lieutenant Colonel Mahel from EME Directorate. I'll be taking on all the questions. Just to give a small brief on the problem definition statement. This is a thermal imager ESSA of tank T90. There is no full form of ESSA. ESSA is a river in Russia, hence the name. It is a dual axis stabilized sight, and it is linked with the fire control system of the tank T90. Presently, it is ex-import in nature and fault prone. Hence, the problem of procuring it and procuring the parts for repairing it also. Therefore, therefore, this PDS has been made for indigenous development of the mirror unit. This is the basic requirement of the mirror unit. Rest, all the details are given in the PDS. I'll be happy to take on any questions that are there for the developers. Any questions, please?
Innovators, do we have any other questions?
Mm.
Or we should, or we are moving to next problem statement. Otherwise, sir.
RF unit.
Yes, sir.
The next problem statement is the RS radiator block.
Yes, sir. Radiator block. Yes, sir.
Roger, since there are no questions for the mirror unit, we move on to the next problem definition statement. That is the radiator block of the rangefinder unit. Again, this is for tank T90. It is installed on the gunner side 1G46, and it is made of the laser rod ND YAG. Again, the problem is the spares and the equipment itself is ex import, and hence a large turnaround time and high cost. Therefore, indigenous development of this particular rangefinder is a must. And since it is on the tank, the power supply and the requirement of energy is based on the requirement as per the tank domain. That is basic requirement of the problem definition statement. I'll be happy to take on any questions if there are any for the innovators. Any questions, please?
Innovators, do we have any questions? Sir, there is no question, I guess. Sir, we are
Roger.
moving to. Yes, sir, Roger.
So
We are
may I
moving.
log out now, please?
Yes, sir. Yes, you can.
Yes, sir.
Thank you. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Please, the nodal officer for the last one is not available, so we can club it to the. We can schedule it next outreach schedule.
Okay, so sir, we are left with the
Weaponize on this one.
last one, that is weaponized. We will be clubbing it with the next outreach, right, sir? Okay, sir. You can log off, sir. We will take from here for the general outreach. Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you.
Super. Okay. बस ठीक है बस कोई बात नहीं।
So we are starting with the general outreach.
Hello everyone. In the general outreach part, I will be giving you the overview of IDITS. Now starting with the grant schemes we offer. First one is DISC. In this we give grant up to 1.5 CR. Next one is ADITI, in which we give grant up to 25 CR. And the last one is Open Challenge, in which we give grants up to 1.5 CR. Talking about the institutional framework of DIO, DIO is formed in 2017 as a Section 8 non-profit company, jointly founded by two defense PSUs, HAL and BEL. The DIO board consists of Secretary DDP, Secretary DD R&D, and Chairman DRDO, Financial Advisor DS, CMD HAL and CMD BEL, MD AIM, Niti Aayog, ASDP CEO DIO. Now talking about the framework and strategic features of DIO, DIO offers grants, co-creation and co-development, dedicated person of contact for each project. We give you matching contribution, 100% ownership of IP rights with innovator, assured procurement, and PI and IIH network also. As you can see, these are the some of the advanced defense technologies we deal with. Now, talking about the IDEX process flow, it is an 11-step transparent and rigorous life cycle. From challenge curation, we move forward to launch and outreach, which is the current step. Next, the receipt of application happens, and the last date for which is 4th of May. And then eligibility check happens, then shortlisting is done, winner is selected, then compliance to the specifications is done, then winner is declared. And then milestone development happens, user trials happens, and then procurement is awarded. Average timeline for this is 18 to 24 months from challenge launch to procurement contract award. Talking about the support network we provide, we have partner incubators for the academic part. We have 21 PIs, including IITs, IIMs, IISc. And for the investment part, we have in IDEX Investor Hub. We have 14 Indian investors onboarded with 1100 CR investment pool. Now, talking about the nodal agencies, we have 25 nodal agencies. And as you can see on the screen, these are the technology domains we deal with. Now, talking about the IDEX performance till Feb 2026, we have 676 IDEX winners, 548 contracts signed, and 566 innovation challenges till now. Key performance indicators are prototypes cleared for procurement are 58 products with approximate value of 3,853 CR. Next one is procurement contracts signed with IDEX winners, which are 45 contracts with the value of 2,326 crore. And the last one is private investment through IIH, whose value is 447 CR by the 14 onboarded investors. Thank you so much. Now we are open to general queries.
So startups, if you have any queries with respect to the IDEX, you can ask your doubts. Also, I wanted to show that if you have any query, you can post the query. Wait a moment. So if you have any query in our home page, we have created there is important notice where you can post your queries over here. Just make sure that you choose the correct category of your query, like which disk that it follows to a disk or ADITI, the nodal agency. That means it is Indian Army, Indian Air Force, MHA, whichever the nodal agency is, so that your query reaches to the correct person. And if you want to know the schedule, we have also uploaded the schedule of all the outreaches. Here you can find the schedule for the upcoming outreaches, and we have given the link as well. You can join as per your challenge that you want to apply for. So we already have conducted many general outreach. If at all you have any more questions, you can ask. So we will be uploading this the technical session on the YouTube link. You can refer to any doubts further that you have, or post your queries if they have not been resolved in the outreach session. If there are no more queries, we will be logging off. If there are any queries, I am waiting for 1 more minute. You can ask queries. Otherwise, after a minute, we will be logging off. And still, you can post your queries in the query section. We will be replying to them. Thank you so much for joining. We will be logging off, and afternoon there will be another outreach session for some different nodal agency. You can join that, and other details I have already discussed. Thank you so much.